Okay, welcome back. And the last section asks for you to approximate the cube roots to the nearest tenth. So I don't have a trick for you this time that works for cube roots. It's kind of annoying, but so the cube root of 75. So that means we're looking for what number times itself 3 times gives you 75. So we go to our list. Oh, it's not on our list, but 75, gosh, I'm trying to make it, is between 64 and 125. So I know it's going to be 4 point something. And so when I'm thinking about this, 75 is closer to 64 than 12.5. So I might try something like 4.1, okay, to the nearest tenth. So what I'm doing is 4.1 times 4.1. Yes, I know, annoying. 1, 4, 4, 16. Do you remember how to do multiplication? I hope. Okay, so this would be 16.81. Then I have to multiply that by my last 4.1. 1, 8, 6, 1, 4, 2, carry the 3, 24, 27, carry the 2, 6. So I add, and I get 1, 12, carry the 1, 9, God bless you, 8, 6. Oh, God bless you. So that is 68.921. Making sure I actually did that correctly. So, oh, goodness gracious. Yes, I did. Perfect. Okay, so the actual answer to this is, if I actually figure out what is the cube root of 75, it is 4.2. But I wouldn't know that without a calculator. So, 68.921, that's pretty close to 75. Because I give you credit for an answer below and above the actual answer, you would get credit. So if you wrote 4.1, you'd get credit for that. The real answer is 4.2. And again, if we were in class, you'd also get credit for one above, so 4.3. So you kind of have to play a game of, do you think that you are close enough or not? The last problem I'm going to do is number 15. It is the cube root of negative 144. 144 is between 125 and 216. I believe that 144 is closer to 125. So I know that it's going to be 5 point something. Just don't know what that point something is. So I'm going to try 5.2 this time. So 5.2 times 5.2, that's 4, 10, 0, carry the 1, 26. So I get 27.04. I have to multiply by another 5.2 because it's cubed. 8, 0, 14, carry the 1, 5. 20, carry the 2, 2, 5, carry the 3, 13. I left myself tons of room here. 8, 0, 6, 0, carry the 1, 4, 1. So, I wish all my videos weren't so blurry. I get 140.608. Wow, that seems pretty close to 144. I am going to cut my losses and say, well, that seems pretty close. I'm going to go with negative. I know it's negative because of the number under the cube root, 5.2. And that is actually the answer if I rounded it to the nearest tenth. So for this one, you'd get credit for negative 5.2, negative 5.1, or negative 5.3. Now, I keep saying that I'm looking for numbers that are closer. All right, I say, hey, negative 144 is closer to 125, come on, than 216. If the number was closer to, say, 216, I might try something like 5.8 or 5.7 or even 5.9. I hope this helps.